I'm starting with poop early on this channel because the sooner you get over that, the sooner you can jump into cloth diapering. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video every Thursday. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site we've created to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby from an infant through the toddler years. I've been a cloth diapering mama for the last 4 years, and I've got the tips and tricks you need to know to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Okay, today is the day we're going to get it over with. We are talking about poop, and there are a couple things I need you to consider when you're thinking about poop and cloth diapering. Let's jump into it. The first thing you need to know is that newborn poop is totally different than big baby eating solid foods poop, okay? Newborn poop, whether you breastfeed your baby or they are fed on formula, their poop is water soluble, which means it is easily dissolved in water. Breastfed babies lend themselves to the easiest cloth diapering experience. Baby's poop is very runny, very thin, because breast milk is primarily made of water. So this means that you do not need to rinse the diaper before you put it in the wash. You may notice that the color of the poop changes, but that's based on what mom eats and not baby. So if you have an exclusively breastfed baby, meaning that they are on no rice, no cereal, they are just on breast milk for their first 6 months of life, you can easily drop the diaper into the diaper pail when you take it off for a change and not worry about how you are going to clean it before taking it to the laundry room. If your baby is exclusively formula fed, which means they only have formula, no rice, no cereal, no oatmeal in their diets before they're 6 months of age, if you have that type of baby, the baby's poop is going to be a little bit darker than a breastfed baby's poop. And it also will be a little bit, we'll say, formed than a traditional breastfed baby poop. It's not as runny, not as thin. Because it's more formed, because it's more solid, you should be able to easily shake it out in the toilet before you put the diaper in the diaper pail. Either route you choose, don't get hung up on that as a condition of you jumping into cloth diapering. A fed baby is the best baby, so that's what we want to make sure your baby is healthy and whole so they can enjoy their cloth diapering experience. Now we're going to talk about older babies. Now, babies start usually eating solids at 6 months of age. If your baby starts eating solids a little bit before this, you'll have to move up the time that you start rinsing diapers. But at 6 months of age, babies are starting to eat regular people food and they having regular grown man poops. At this stage, we have to start adding rinsing our diapers to our wash routine. Poop does not go in the washer. And when I say poop does not go in the washer, I'm talking about solid baby poop from between 6 months and the toddler years. That poop does not go in the wash machine. All your carefree, rinseless poops have happened in the first 6 months and we are not there anymore. Big people poop does not go in the washer, people. If the thought of poop scares you away from cloth diapering and that's something that you're highly worried about, there is a solution. You can use a cloth diaper liner. This is a roll of bamboo liners. And it's almost the texture of a really nice piece of tissue paper, but bamboo liners are able to be flushed in the toilet, which is a plus, but these go inside a baby's diaper. So here we have a pocket diaper, and if you were going to use a liner in your diaper, you would simply just place it over your diaper, put the baby inside the diaper, and this is ready to go. So if baby has a poop, you just open it, take out the liner, pick it up, put this part in the toilet, flush it, and then put this part in your diaper pail, and that should make for an easy, cleaner cloth diapering experience where you don't have to worry about how you're going to dispose or rinsing off poop. Now for the rest of this video, I'm going to take you into my bathroom and show you how I rinse out poop diapers. I'll be very honest, it's been hard for me to come by a poop diaper lately. My baby is almost 2 and she's very interested in potty training, so we've been getting most of those in the potty. But I did run up on one and I have it to show you. Hey everyone, welcome to my bathroom. While we're in here, I want to show you a few things. One of the first things I want to show you is the trash can that I use for cloth diapering. You all have heard me talk about using a trash can for a diaper pail. This is it. It's a little 13-gallon trash can, and inside of it, Inside of it, I have put a pail liner. This pail liner is a bag that sits inside of the trash can. Easy out, easy in. And I take this pail liner with me when I'm going to wash diapers. We'll talk about that more at another time. But that's the pail liner with the trash can that I use for holding my cloth diapers after I've sprayed the poop out of them and they're ready to go for washing. The next thing that I want to share with you is my diaper sprayer. This little powerful thing, also called a handheld bidet, helps me to rinse out the poop, and you're going to see me use it when we get into this diaper. We have a diaper in here. It's time for the big reveal. If you're squeamish, you might want to fast forward now. While we're fast forwarding through my rinsing process, I want to give you a little hope. At this point, I only have about 5 or 6 poop diapers in a week. My baby is a little older, which means she poops regularly once a day. Now, this diaper has been sitting in the toilet for a few minutes to soak. I let the diaper sit out a few days longer than I would like to admit. If your diaper is fresh, you're good to go to spray it out right away. I like to rinse the outside shell of the diaper even though poop doesn't get on it, just to give me a clean place to hold the diaper. You'll see toward the end of this that I'm going to rinse the elastic bands extremely well. The gussets get lots of action. We want to make sure that we take the time to get all the crevices to make sure that part of the diaper is thoroughly rinsed for a clean wash. I really hope today's video has taken the fear factor out of cloth diapering and poopy diapers. If you can get past this, I'm telling you, y'all, you can get into cloth diapering and have an easy, fun experience with you and your baby. So let me know in the comments, are you still worried about poop? What questions do you have? Drop me a line. I'm happy to answer them. Please click the subscribe button and the bell so you'll know when I upload next week. And head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience.